30 भाई हाँ 30 30
Can't be safe just breathing it in, but oh well. Backstreet Cafe. All right, so I just left my hotel. I had a couple hours of nap and just now running out to get some supplies. So the hotel's pretty good actually. It looked a bit different than it did in the pictures, but you know, it's kind of, it's just a little rundown. I think the pictures that they have were a lot recent or a lot older when the hotel was first set up. But that's okay. It's still not a bad place, and especially for the price, it's pretty good. It cost me about 325 rupees, which is about $5, I think. But yeah, pretty sweet deal. So I'm now heading out to buy some things, go to the Old Manali market, and we'll see. Maybe I'll get something to eat or just explore the market, and we'll see how it goes. And that's pretty much it for today's adventures, I guess. I mean, I still am kind of tired. I only got a couple hours in, so still needed a little bit of rest. You could probably tell, you know. But yeah, man, really happy to be here. Super stoked. I love the mountains. I mean, the Himalayan mountains are my favorite location, or my favorite place in India. So really happy to be here. Look at the garbage. One thing you can be sure of a popular tourist destination like Manali is that because it's so popular among the Indian tourists, you're bound to find a lot of garbage, and that applies to pretty much any popular tourist destination. And you know, some Indian people like to litter. They don't really care. I think even the locals, some of the locals do that. But yeah, it's pretty sad. Ruins the environment. I'm just constantly going downhill to towards the main market area. My hotel is quite a bit of a climb, so I would have preferred it to be the opposite, you know, the market be up and the hotel be on the way down, so that it's much easier when I'm coming back tired after a long day. So oh well, what can you do? That's just how it is, you know, and gotta put up with it. So they do have tuk-tuks, so maybe I'll take one on my way back if I get too tired. So that's an option. But yeah, plenty of hotels and guest houses here. You can get a motorcycle for rent. Paragliding. I don't know what we have that way, but I'll probably check it out later. But look at this view. It's absolutely brilliant. The clouds look amazing. And actually my hotel does face this way to this mountain, so that's pretty cool. I just wish it wasn't this far from the main area. But I guess that's why it's cheap, right? Okay. Gotta hit the ATM.
Please take your cash and card. Thank you for using Bank of Baroda ATM.
Give me money. Money.
Please take your cash and card. Thank you for using Bank of Baroda ATM.
Rupee bills. Don't forget to take your card. Oh.
Please take your card. Thank you for using Bank of Baroda ATM.
You're welcome. Thank you for the money. All right, so now we have cash. There is a local wine that is pretty famous. I think this is a little Momo stand. Little street food joint. Maybe I'll check it out later. But yeah, there are plenty of food options, like I was saying. So, man, I can't get enough of the view. There are snow mountains in the distance. And plenty of hotels. New market, as you can tell by the sudden increase in population and traffic. Funny looking backpack. Alright, so this place is Mall Road. Mall Road is a pretty common name for a lot of different places in the Himalayas. There's a Mall Road pretty much in every resort town, similar to Manali. Ice cream for 40 rupees. Okay, I saw a donut shop up here, and I want to try out some Manali donuts, see what they're like. I think it's right here. There we go, some donuts, pastries. Can I get a donut?
30 bhai.
Huh?
30.
30? 30 rupees for the donut. Let's see what it's like. It's good. It's cold, but it's good. I was hoping it was a bit warm, but I guess cold donuts are a thing of the Himalayas. Who knows? It is pretty big though. Let's see if I can finish this. That was a 30 rupee donut. 30 rupees is this many cents. I'll put it on the screen. But yeah, it was pretty good. Except it wasn't warm. It was cold. But yeah, so good. All right, I think that's pretty much it. Had a bonus donut for today, and I'm now gonna head back. I'm still kind of adjusting to the altitude a little bit. Guess I'm getting old. I need like a day to acclimatize. The altitude here is not that much. It's only like 6,700 feet or something. But I can still feel it a little bit. It's not bad. But you feel it just a little bit. All right, do I want to take a tuk-tuk? Or do we continue walking? I think I'll walk for a while. That's just how people are here. They will run you over if you're not paying attention. I feel like I may have walked past the tuk-tuk, the tuk-tuk stand or whatever you want to call it. That means that we're walking. But that's good because I save money. Maybe I could use that money to buy another donut. I know, they only had one kind. It was chocolate. So, all right, I'm already kind of feeling the altitude, trying to climb. I'm too old for this shit. Life begins after beer. Little fun fact, or a little history lesson about Manali. It became popular during the 1980s. 1+1 on wines. But yeah, like I was saying, it became popular during the 80s, and hold on. Manali has a population of about a little over 8,000 people. Whoa! Did you see how close that was? Jesus Christ. I need a rear view mirror to walk around Manali. Holy shit. All right, population 8,000. And altitude of about 6,100 meters, or feet. I mean to say, but I think I'm gonna need to find. All right, there's another one of those coming. Man, it's about 3 times that I've had a close call with one of these guys. They do not care where they're driving. So. Hotel Moonlight. I lost my train of thought, what I was saying. Man. I think it's gonna be safer for me to walk over on the other side, because then at least I can see the traffic coming. I don't have to worry about somebody hitting me from behind. All right, let's keep going. All right, well, that donut definitely came in handy for some energy to conquer this ascent to my hotel. I'm almost like hiking to a mountain or something. But yeah, quite a bit of a climb. I think about 100 feet maybe. I'm not even kidding. It's from the market where we were downtown. This is about 2.5 kilometers. So and 2.5 kilometers of constant ascend. So alright, so I'm now in my hotel. This is my little balcony here, and I'm sitting here editing some videos. Not a bad spot for work. Yeah. So, time to edit some of these videos and put them out. This hotel has great Wi-Fi, by the way. I think it's about 70 megabytes per second, but yeah, that's down in the reception. They don't really have it up here in the rooms, but it's still, you can kind of still get it a little bit, I think. But yeah, I think I'll have to go down to actually upload the videos. But that's okay. I'm not going to complain. Not with this view. All right, let's get to work.